Okay, Zoomer ETC here. The other day I showed you a picture of a Rochester Carburator laying on my workbench. Look at this. We now have two engines that purr. One less thing to do. Of course there's some sort of engine room floor that I don't know what it is. Here's the Rochester now. Alright. So excited. Look over here. There's another one over here that works just as good. I didn't have to fix this. It works all by itself. Or someday I'll have to. And I will actually know exactly what to do to that one. But now, don't be calling me up telling me you want me to overhaul the carburetor on the Camaro. I'm not sure I'll love it that much. So anyway, once again I have a boat with two engines that actually has two engines that run. Believe me, if you've ever tried to describe a twin-engine boat with one engine, it's impossible. Forget it. You don't have that long in a day. Anyway, Zoomer ETC signing off from Lake Lanier.